a dreamer. Told you baby once before that nothing comes between us. Cold water splash, man, I'm turning like the faucet. Urging you to lose it, dude, only cause I lost it. Looking in the mirror, loving my reflection. Hating who I am, situated, not attentive. Far away from home, dreamed about you last night. Even if I act right, purple smoking black light. Weakness is my strong point, puffing on a long joint, smoking on a bum joint. I'ma fuck your mom, boy, wishing I was sensical, like the dream I had. You would be my world, instead I'm peeling scabs. I bled a bleeding red, I've gotten beaten bad. I need a cab, speeding fast, breathing gas, screeching crash. Actually, practically, reality is blasphemy. The weight is killing me, every day's a hassle. See, I'm taking my depression as a casualty. It's sad to see my accuracy is drastically failing. What a masterpiece, hailing diamonds. Scar your face, you're so embarrassed. You're in the green, but these bunnies on my carrot. But it don't mean nothing, yeah, it's just a time waste. So in love with her, that it makes me redefine space. Dream about you, holy fuck, I build a statue in your honor. But it's raining even harder, yeah, it's mud. I'm a stud, even thugs on my shit. Only cause that sound I make is bumping on a clit. Only cause I round about and pound it out, it sounded out. Too loud to shout, too proud to pout. Few bags of salt, let the ice crumble off. Roll the dice, I'm humble, dog. I'm a risky dealer when I'm pulling out my Joker card. Ha ha, I'm full of it like Oprah's fart. I'm funny like in South Park, I'm money like in South Park. Welcome to the Black Arts, welcome to my backyard. Barbecue this rap chart, cause it's all that axe cough. Argue then you act hard, slam you on your back hard. Karate kick gently, throwing more punches than the fucking human centipede. Many bleed, real life is so dangerous. That's why people phase me, they get crazier than angel dust. Is pain and lust and fame, the sluts and ankle up. You're regular, secular, divided by our differences. I would even pin the points if I was slightly interested. But I might be the illest kid, so I rap the realest shit. Spit it like I'm in class, my chalkboard is infinite. Awkward but intricate, hardcore vicious, parkour industrious, all for the mischievous. It's all towards interest, my spirit over time. These lyrics wouldn't rhyme if I was that far behind. But I'm cool like that, getting better and better. Go and ask your girl, getting wetter and wetter. Whoa, I'm inappropriate, play this 50 years ago. Ho, smoking that opium naked on a crystal globe. Let me say what I got to, then you all could celebrate. My chorus will relax you, probably cause you're elevated, greater great. We move towards the future, winning like a loser. Maybe I shouldn't choose her. Let me say what I got to, then you all could celebrate. My chorus will relax you, probably cause you're elevated, greater great. We move towards the future, winning like a loser. Maybe I shouldn't, maybe I shouldn't, maybe I shouldn't choose her, winning like a loser. Da 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 da, ba da da ba 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 da 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 ba.